Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is global religion. Islam is not a new religion, but it is fulfillment of the religion of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. The same basic truth that Allah God revealed through Angel Gabriel, peace be upon him, on all the prophets and messengers, including Ibrahim, Moses, Jesus, peace be upon them all, etc. And we are from Millat Ibrahim. We are from Millat of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. One nation, one Millat, following one religion, Islam. Reference in Quran, chapter 2, verse 120, chapter 2, verse 135, chapter 3, verse 67, chapter 3, verse 95, chapter 4, verse 125, chapter 5, verse 3, chapter 6, verse 167, chapter 12, verse 37, 38, chapter 16, verse 89, chapter 16, verse 123, chapter 22, verse 52, chapter 42, verse 13, and many more. The only religion approved by Allah is Islam, submission to Allah. Reference Al-Quran, chapter 3, verse 19, chapter 3, verse 67, chapter 6, verse 79, chapter 10, verse 105, chapter 98, verse 5, and many more. Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, was neither a Jew nor a Christian, rather a Muslim. Reference Al-Quran, chapter 3, verse 67. Would you forsake the religion of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, except one who fools his own soul? We have chosen him in the world and in the hereafter. He will be the righteous. When his Lord said to him, submit, and he said, I submitted to the Lord of the universe. Moreover, Ibrahim exhorted his children to do the same, and so did Jacob. O my children, Allah has pointed out the religion Islam for you. So do not die except as submitted Muslims. Had you witnessed Jacob on his deathbed? He said to his children, what will you worship after I die? They said, we will worship your God, the God of the fathers Ibrahim, Ismail, and Isaac, and the one God, to him we submit. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 132 to 133. Whenever it is mentioned that Prophet's messenger, peace be upon all of them, declared that he is the first Muslim, does not mean first ever Muslim. Rather, it is relative to the time and place, since all Prophet's messengers followed one religion, Deen, and all are of one Millat Ibrahim. Basic concept of the Quran is to invite people towards one God, one religion, one sect, one holy book, Quran, and one worshipping method, but with wisdom and without any force. Only allowed is to do positive dialogue with wisdom, invite all in the way of Lord with wisdom and beautiful preaching, and argue with them in ways that are best and most gracious. For your Lord knows best who have strayed from his path and who receive guidance. Reference Al Quran, chapter 16, verse 125. Allah has protected the Quran as well as all worshipping methods and Kaaba, which Allah has asked us to follow. Reference Al Quran, chapter 15, verse 9. Keep the Kaaba, the first worshipping place, the first Qibla, Awwal, clean, secure, spiritually and hygienically, etc. For Hajj, Umrah, and Salat, and for all worshippings. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 125, chapter 3, verse 96-97. Anyone who does not follow the Quranic message will be questioned on the day of judgment, and that will be too late. Take Salah prayers from the standing place of Ibrahim. The standing place of Ibrahim, peace be upon him, is that where Kaaba used to lead the prayers, and that is since the time of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, till the day of judgment. And you will not find any changes in prayer method in any of Imam Kaaba since the time of Ibrahim till the time of judgment, till the day of judgment. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 125. Allah Sunnah never changes. Reference Al Quran, chapter 33, verse 63, chapter 35, verse 43. Tayyum, wudu, adhan, 5 times salah, Jumas, janaza, tahajjud, and qasr, shortening prayers, salat are also mentioned in Quran. O you who believe, fasting is prescribed to you exactly same as that as prescribed to those before you, that you may learn selfless training. Reference Al Quran, verse 2, chapter 2, verse 183. All the prophets, Ibrahim, since Ibrahim and all the prophets, maybe from Adam and Eve time until the day of judgment, the method, everything, what is mentioned in the Quran is the same. In Hajj, we need to follow one method, not invent it, deviate it. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 189. Otherwise, our Hajj may not be accepted. There are many verses in the Quran in addition to Surah Hajj. For details, please read my booklet, Hajj or Organizing Hajj and Umrah, from my download section at my website, globalrightpath.com. Which is Islam we should follow, Allah's Islam or misguided mullah's Islam? There is no place of sex in Islam. As for those who divide their religion and break up into sects, they have no part in Islam in the least. And their affair is with Allah. He will in the end tell them the truth of all that they did. Reference Al Quran, chapter 6, verse 159. And obey Allah and His Messenger and do not dispute among yourselves, for then you will be weak in hearts and your power will depart. And be patient, surely Allah is with the patient. Reference Al Quran, chapter 8, verse 46. Allah never destroys any good nation. Do not turn out people from their homes. Saving a life is like saving the whole world. There is no compulsion in religion. Non-practicing Muslims are like as donkey carrying books. Those who don't offer regular 5 time prayers, salat, are worse than shaitan, Iblis, since Iblis never denied to put down Allah. His only denial was to put down Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. So, denied only one commandment. What about those who are intentionally neglecting 5 times salah prayers? Those who do not judge from the Quran are disbelievers, unjust, wrongdoers, and transgressors, rebels. Reference Al Quran, chapter 5, verse 44 to verse 47. Change yourself now before it gets too late. Look at how Shaitan is tricking on innocents in the whole world. Look how Shaitan is attacking on innocence in whole world. It is only because of many sects among us. Verily, Allah will never change the condition of the people until they first change it themselves. Reference Al Quran, chapter 13, verse 11. And if you turn away, Allah will exchange you for some other people and they will not be like you. Reference Al Quran, chapter 47, verse 38. None argue concerning the revelations ayat of Allah, but except those who disbelieve. Reference Al Quran, chapter 40, verse 4. One Allah, one Islam, one religion, one sect, one holy book, one Quran, and one worshipping method. Without any compulsion of religion, Rather, invite people with wisdom to go to heaven together. Islam is complete way of life, complete way. Follow, practice all directives, guidance of Allah on matter of life. Reference Al Quran, chapter 3, verse 7. Thank you.